Oh no, your needle broke. Why would it just give up and die? There's actually quite a few reasons. For one, maybe you sewed over a pin. Needles are not designed to sew through metal. So remove pins as you sew and don't sew over them. Lots of times you can get away with it, but then one day the stars are aligned. I mean, the needle and the pins align, and then bam, your needle's broken. Two, you might be pulling and yanking on your fabric a little as you sew, and that can bend the needle and it will break. Or you sew too quickly over some like intersecting seams. So machines like steady, flat surfaces to sew over, and when you suddenly hit a fat part, then the needle often will break. So go slowly. Sometimes you can use your hand crank to help you over that hump. Or the needle might be just plain worn out. You can replace it. Ideally, you should replace your needle with every major sewing project. How to change your needle. So pretend your needle broke, or you have to change your needle because you're using a knit rather than a woven, or your needle is just worn out. So all you do to change a needle is to take this, and this is the needle screw, and you undo it enough that this needle comes out. So you take that out, and then you grab your new needle, and your needle has a flat side and a rounded side. I don't know if you can see that. There's a flat side and a rounded side. The flat side, just check your manual, but most machines, the flat side goes towards the back. So you're going to put your needle in there, flat side toward the back, push it all as far up as you can go, and then turn the screw again away from yourself. There you are, and then you just need to thread your needle again. Just like so. Voila, that is how you change a needle.